fit, this way.
Happy birthday, my brother.
Oh, Hennessy.
Hennessy.
Oh, thank
Some
you.
Hennessy.
Yo, we can get messy too. Hey guys, from Perth. This is how we roll in Sydney.
So we are in the suburban area of Sydney. What's this? Fairfield. Fairfield and.
Oh, just in time.
Okay, so we've got a table especially for vegetarians, where they just eat leaves, cucumbers, and tomatoes. Oh, that's not.
That's too much pressure.
Use your other one?
No, what are you doing? Yeah, he's a DJ.
Okay,
Oh my god! So you're the DJ!
Are you meant to eat some like the sauce on the salad? I found the sauce.
Alright, we're gonna start drinking with the birthday boy.
Yo, look what I got. Another Hennessy. That means you have to have green tea, like Lee says, always. So if you guys have a walk over there, there's an alcohol bartender thing over there.
Who's the bartender? He's your sister, right?
Yeah. Kimberly, underage bartending. Did I just say that? Oh, you better cancel that out. Alright guys, so we have Simon here, the cameraman, and we've got Lee, the DJ. Lee in the house. Alright guys, let's go have a drink and let's see how it goes.
One, two, three! Hello!
Hey, where's the camera?
Hi! Hi!
Good work.
Stuff like that!
What do you think of it?
Okay, so the game, do you remember me?
Yes, godmother.
Go! Hey, David, stop it! Put it down, put it back. Put it back.
I'll take
You guys.
it.
Woo! Come on, man.
Beast mode.
Come on,
Yes! Come on! Yes!
Beast.
Yes! This is my Marlin. I'll drink for you.
Okay, I'm gonna sing it out. This song. I got nothing, nothing, nothing.
That's right. She loves me. Good work.
What's he doing?
Is magic.
Hi, Lee. Let me do the swing. This is how you do. This is how you muscle up 101 with an apron on. Ready? Keep like this. And when you're ready, like this. Like this. You come back down. You come back up. This you come forward.
Okay.
With control. Thank you.
Good work.
I need more drinks. Thank you. I'll see you soon in Perth. Normally speeches go for short. Unfortunately tonight it's 11, so I might drag it out a little bit.
To 12?
Please don't feel feel bored. If you're filming this, please do so because it's gonna be funny for me tomorrow. Okay, guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Spider-Man kiss! Spider-Man kiss! Spider-Man kiss!
Get back up there!
Take a photo! Take a photo! Alright, let's cut the cake. I'm hungry.
Okay, so it's 4 minutes till midnight. We are starving, and I don't know if we can see.
I got it on.
Yeah, it's on.
Hi, welcome to Asian Martial Show. We're just barbecuing the rest of the food, you know what I mean?
I'm bored at 3:30 in the morning, so I'm just gonna chuck a food. And I just got wet by Chris James here. Thanks, Chris James.
Just clean up, you know.
Yeah, just cleaning up. It was my shower for the month. That's my monthly shower. And you wasted it, man. I didn't have any shampoo.
And this is Jimmy, he works at Muchi. Everyone, it's so in right now. And this is Henley. He designed a lot of clothing. He's a very rich man. And he dropped the bread.
I'm freaking rich, man.
Alright guys, it's like 3 in the morning. We're helping David clean up. Every time when you have a party, you have those that leave early, and you got those that stay to the end. And usually the ones that stay to the end are the ones that help out and clean. Those are the really good friends, so you know, keep that in mind, for the future. Subscribe! Like a boss.
Super close. There was this black guy, right? And he said to a girl, what can I do to make you like me? And the girl was like, do you have swag? Because I only date guys with swag. And then the guy was like, yeah, I have swag. I have lots of swags. And then the girl was like, not swags, swag. Okay, so how much swag do you have? And he was like, I have plenty. And then she was like, give me a number. And he said, about 40 swags.
I don't get it.
It's because he's stupid.
This happens for a lot. Give us 2 minutes. She'll calm down after.
Because he put a number on it because he didn't know what it was, and he was just trying to say that he has a lot of it. So
How'd you find that?
I don't know.
me and Eric find it funny.